Hello, my name is Willard with Assured Comfort Heating, Air, and Plumbing, and today I'm going to go over how a UV light works in your heating and cooling system, also known as IEQ, Indoor Air Quality. So what this device does is it kills bacteria, fungi, and germs, and it just improves your overall indoor air quality in your home. The basics is it's like the sun. Putting UV out, it just simulated inside your heating and cooling system. It's also used by the water company to sanitize your water and get the bacteria out before it gets to your tap in your home. So the only difference is putting your heating and cooling system, and it's the air is going around the bulb and killing the bacteria, the fungi, the viruses, and ending up in a result of much cleaner indoor air quality in your home.